Hey guys, John here with Gentleman Seafood Guys, home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. Welcome back to the Simple Seafood Recipe Series. As you guys have known, hopefully you guys have been watching a bunch of these, we're on the prowl of finding amazing seafood recipes that are easy. So many people right now just are intimidated by seafood, just have that like stigma that you cannot cook seafood at home. And if you guys have been watching, you know, most of you know my background. I grew up in Alaska. I grew up commercial fishing. Started this seafood business about 2 years ago. And I love cooking seafood. I kind of have grown up in it, but I am by no means a chef. I have a very busy, crazy life. So I'm not spending like an hour, 2 hours in the kitchen. So for me to be able to eat, you know, really nutritious food and have seafood in my diet 2-3 times a week, I need things that are easy. So that's where this series ties in. So today we're looking for some more recipes to start putting on the show. So we're gonna dive into, we'll get on my screen here on my laptop, but we're gonna try to figure out what we're gonna do. You know, one thing I really want to try, and I hope it brings value to you guys, is we've done a lot of the basic recipes and simple stuff too, but one thing that we get asked about a lot, and we haven't done yet, is cooking from frozen. So if you can get home, grab this stuff straight out of the freezer and start cooking it, that saves you a lot of time. And you can do that. There's some things that are super easy, like crab and shrimp, but I've never done it with fish. I never have, so I want to learn, because this will benefit me too. But I think that's what we'll look for today. There's some good resources online, and yeah, you can seriously do that. You can grab frozen seafood out of the freezer. You know, it's obviously going to be, you know, probably, and we'll find out. We'll figure this out together. But it's probably going to be a lot easier if this stuff is more portioned too. So we'll take a look, because a lot of our salmon's full fillets, but all of our other stuff is good portions. So let's jump into my screen and let's figure out what we're gonna cook next. Okay guys, welcome to the screen of John Waters' laptop. Okay, so as you guys can see, check this out right here. We're at Wild Alaskan Seafood, Wild Alaska Seafood, no N, wildalaskaseafood.com/cook it frozen recipes. This is an amazing free website, everybody. So we're gonna scour this thing today, and these guys, the Alaskan Seafood Marketing Institute is unbelievable resource that Alaska fishermen support, and these guys create amazing material to support and promote wild Alaskan seafood. And because we source Alaskan seafood, we're able to use all their material. But okay, let's dig into this. So these are all recipes from frozen. Okay, so we got salmon, sweet tacos. Oh my gosh, holy cow. Okay, I love an egg. That looks good. That looks really good. Probably wouldn't. Yeah, I really want to keep it simple. Ooh, you guys know I'm a big fan of rockfish. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is a lot harder than I thought. Okay, let's check out page 2. And as you guys are watching this, comment below, because you guys are probably like, John, hurry up and pick something. But if you guys see something you like, comment below, and we'll get this rolling next week for you guys. Okay, I'm going back to page 1. I'm going to pick. Okay, here we go. Gotta be challenging. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what we're going with. We're going to do the Alaskan salmon in a basil wine sauce. Let's check this out. Let's make sure this is from frozen. Cook it frozen. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're looking for 2 fillets that are frozen. Okay, here we go. So it's kind of telling you guys this stuff.
Okay, cover pan Thai frozen. And it's always looking like it's just that cook time. So, okay guys, this is gonna be our next video. We're gonna dig into this. I'm really interested about, because this stuff, yeah, I'm just really interested in, like, there's gonna be more water going in, getting into the, as you're cooking, just because you're cooking it from frozen. If that's gonna go in and screw up your cook times or get things a little mushy. So I have no idea. So let's do this. Here's the recipe, guys. Screenshot this if you want. Otherwise, this is going to be on YouTube. We're going to be filming this week. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Tune in soon.